Would y'all be turned off if y'all heard these?
I'm on my way, I'm a star. I'm on my way, thank you God.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be telling you what to expect when going natural. This is mainly for the beginners, the transitioners, or the people who just did their big chop. This is what you want to expect when living that natural life. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Oh, but before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video. So let's get started. Okay, so most natural hairstyles require you to start on wet hair. So number one, get used to your hair always being wet or being wet most of the time. Water is key to keeping your hair moisturized. So get you a spray bottle, fill it up with water. You can find you a cheap one at the dollar store, the 99-cent store, or Walmart for about $1. So keep that spray bottle in your hand and keep your hair moisturized. It's always gonna be wet, or most of the time it's gonna be wet most of the time. So that brings me to expectation number 2. Your hairstyle won't be complete in one day. It's probably going to take you 2, maybe 3 days sometimes. Do not expect your hairstyle to be complete in one day. It's just not possible with natural hair. Well, your hair can't be complete in a day without using heat. Let's say that. If you want to have your hair air dry, it's gonna take a day or 2, depending on your hair type. And number 3. This number 3 is gonna be a little hard, but if you got thick skin, you should be fine. Your relatives or your friends or whoever you hang out with on the daily will talk bad about your natural hair when you first start. Sometimes when you've been natural for years. But do not let that lead you astray. Keep up your natural hair journey no matter what they say, because guess what? When it's flourishing, they gonna start liking it and they gonna start asking you a whole bunch of questions about it. How you get it this way? How you do it that way? Oh, it's so big. And it's that, it's this. It's gonna come, but don't worry. Number 4. Your hair, no matter how much it appears to be, is not like anyone else's hair. You have completely different head of hair than anyone else you've seen. People always talk about, oh, you're my hair twin, you're my hair twin. Nope, your hair is not like theirs. And this brings me to number 5. Some of your favorite natural hair YouTubers, gurus, whatever you want to call them, the products they use, they're probably not gonna work for your hair, because keep in mind, some people have either low porosity hair, high porosity. They may have thicker strands, thinner strands, different curl patterns. You gotta keep all this in mind. So if you try whatever hairstyle they try, it may not turn out the same for you because of those differences. Number 6, if you've been wearing your hair straight, get ready to never wash your hair in just one big old section ever again. That's out of the question. You're gonna wanna start sectioning your hair off into maybe 4. You can start on 4 sections and work that way. I promise you it's much easier and it'll save you time too with detangling. Number 7, when going natural, you want to stay away from heat for people say a year, but I want to say a year and a half. You're gonna get the best results. Your hair will start flourishing without heat. I want to say a year and a half. Don't put any type of heat, no flat ironing, no curling one. You can maybe blow dry your hair to clip your ends, but that's about it. Don't try to blow dry your hair every day or sit under a hooded hair dryer every day to style your hair, or you might suffer from heat damage. Number 8, get used to cutting off your dead ends. I know you want to hold on to that length, but you just got to get used to being able to let go of those dead ends. Get used to cutting off dead ends all 2020 and here on out. Number 9, it may not seem like your hair is growing. I know, I've been through this. You've been taking good care of your hair all year, 2 years, and it may not seem like your hair is growing, but in reality, it is. It's growing. All you need to do is take pictures, and then months later, you take another picture and you can compare the two, and you will definitely see a difference. So expect to take a lot of pictures of your hair. And number 10, always expect shrinkage. Now I know you want to see that length, and I know that shrinkage, it just shrinks all up. I remember when I first went natural, my hair shrunk up. I felt like, and I was like, I look like an old lady. I can't wear my hair like this. If you don't like your shrinkage, you can always style the front a certain way and they'll be cute. Or you can just embrace it. Shrinkage is gonna happen. Or you can stretch it out with a blow dryer, but you don't wanna do that if you wanna keep your hair healthy and flourishing. So the best thing I can tell you to do is embrace the shrinkage, because shrinkage is a good sign that your hair is healthy and it has elasticity, and it is great. So those are the 10 things you should expect when going natural. I hope these didn't turn you off. I hope these would y'all be turned off if y'all heard these? Let us pray. Don't be scared. These expectations is not bad. I promise you it's not bad. If you want all of this, all of this, all of this.
What about all of this?
Then these shouldn't scare you not one little bit. All right, so I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Oh, and share this with your sister and your cousin and your best friend right now. I'll give you a second to hit that share button that's right there. Okay, you did it. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.